bag is heavy, child. What's going on?
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
It's somebody's birthday. Today's Sunday, May 26th, so it's birthday season, Gemini season. So I'm getting ready to go to the spa because I'm having a spa day today. Yeah, so this is the start of the birthday vlog. So I'm about to head out. Just gotta do my baby hair real quick and I'm out of here. This side looks flat though. So yeah, birthday vlog is in full effect. It's obviously Memorial Weekend. So I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the city, when I get to the spa. I'll show you my full fit real quick. This is the fit. It's with some white sandals. Let me show you my feet like that. But yeah, that's the fit. Excuse all the noise, y'all. I'm gonna tie this part right here. So yeah, this is a full fit. The shirt from Shein, shorts from Shein, sandals from Rainbow, and then my Jimmy shoe. I will see you guys when I get to the city. So yeah, this is the birthday look. Look how my hair came out. I didn't really do much to it. But it came out cute. The wind is blowing everything away, but whatever.
Why didn't you record it? You did record it. You have the fucking mayors trying to bribe you.
We're waiting for the ferry. It's like a 15-minute ride to Government Island, and then we're heading to the spa. We're heading to the spa. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to go to the spa. This is part one of my birthday. Since I didn't travel, I have to make up for the travel.
Yeah.
So you know, I gotta be a little extra. No, I'm not a Leo, but it's gotta be a little extra. You know. So
you're clearly.
Yeah, I'm excited for today. The sun is out and the sun is beautiful today. Look,
digging up some.
The sun is out in New York. And I think everybody. It's Memorial Weekend, obviously, and everybody and their mama is going to Governor's Island because this line is ridiculously long. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to see y'all when I get on the boat. 37 weird. Like 27. Period.
That's
27. Okay.
She has a family and
it's so cute in here. That ride was so smooth. So my best friend, she's scared of the boat. So it was funny that she was being anxious on the boat. But isn't this cute?
Almost ran out of hope this time. So send your love in.
About to head outside now and enjoy the spa. I don't know when to wear this bathing suit or change because I might change this bathing suit because I don't know, it's not keeping up. It's not holding up. I love the color, but it's not keeping up. It's not keeping up the way I want it to. good. We got a tuna wrap. Got a nice little tuna wrap to eat real quick before we go in the pool. They got heated pools, so it's lit. Heated pools, but she's scared of cold water. No, I think cold easily. Let me show you what I'm eating. This is a wheat wrap. This is a snack. Because when I'm eating here, I'm eating good. We should have got one. This is good. Yo, this looks like them chips, them Wise chips from back in the day. That green bag, I'm putting on the screen.
All day? Lace?
No, Wise.
Why? The blue bag.
Blue, green, whatever color it is. This looks like exactly like it. I need salty as hell. Maybe I'm getting old, but they salty as hell. And I'm trying to run over these sauce. I'm not eating that. I had like one or two. That's good enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this.
I mean this. This one the wrap is really good. It's good. I booked the sunset time for the sunset, and then now there's no sunset. Like, what is that? It doesn't look like it's supposed to rain. Like dark clouds over my head. Like, what's going on? I feel some type of way. Because the sunset is nowhere to be found. I'm upset. No, I'm not. I had a good day. It's a low-key birthday this year, but it's alright. I'm sure Mr. Brown gonna be worth it. I'm sure he'll be worth it. So yeah, we're gonna end this portion of the vlog off here.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just so much. I wanna shut it up, but is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping? You did.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Voices I don't wanna understand. My pockets are jiggling in my head. My hands are clicking towards the door. It's this one thing that got me.
I got home like 20 minutes ago. It's now 1:38, May 27th. I had a really good birthday. I had a good day. I don't think that spa is worth the price, but like the experience is good, but the customer service could be way better. It could be way better. So the price, I don't think it's worth the price, but it's all right. At least I know when I'm going back, I know what to do, what not to do. That's all. But other than that, I had a good time. We went to Brooklyn Chop House, and their food is pretty good. That's my first time going there. Their food is pretty good. I would say I would definitely go back there. I didn't know what to get, so I got me some lamb chops, but it was good. The broccoli, I don't know what they put in the broccoli. The garlic sauce, I don't know how they saute, what they put in there to season. I don't know what it was, but the broccoli was broccoli. Okay, I enjoyed the broccoli. Then I had me a nice little slice of birthday cake. It was pistachio cheesecake. Pistachio cheesecake. I never heard of that, and I've been trying pistachio things lately, and that's a favorite. I would definitely go back there just to go to the bar and grab me a slice of that. Like, it was so good. I didn't want to get the same thing I always get, like chocolate or whatever, because I love me some chocolate. So I said, let me try something different. Being the Gemini that I am, trying new things and all that. And it was bomb. I glad I tried that. I glad I chose that one. because it was bomb. This bag is heavy, child. What's going on? Girl, what's going on? Bestie. So, Bestie gave me my birthday gift. And it's mad heavy. I'm asking her what it is. Holy stone. What the hell? What is this? Okay. Susie! No! Girl! Oh, she got me a freaking drone! I'm gonna open it now though. Because it's not really see. Yo, she got me a drone. Now I wish I was traveling for my birthday. My travel vlogs after this about to be lit. Yeah, I'm not even paying nothing crazy for this though. No. I'm gonna open it because I might as well. Now I'm gonna really have to practice to use this. I was talking about a drone for a long time. Like I wanted to get a drone. Like I was gonna get it myself. And I was researching. Even like I see people using it. I'll be hitting them up, like certain YouTubers, to ask them about it. Like ask them which one they got. Y'all, look at this. Oh my god. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Period. It has a case. This is a case. This is a remote. Oh, this is it.
That's a drone.
Okay, so this is a drone. It's a bigger than friendly. Perfect. I'm not opening none of that, so yeah, we're gonna wait. It's gonna be another day for that. And then this is a remote control. The remote control is bigger than the drone, child. Makes sense. I did not expect this. I was wondering what the hell she was talking about. Yes, I'm excited. It's perfect because I'm gonna change my intro and all that soon. Once I learn how to use this thing, my content is gonna be lit. But thank you, best friend. Thank you, best friend. I didn't expect this. So I had a good birthday and I got my gift. Did not expect it, but definitely appreciate it. And you know what's crazy? Because I wasn't sure about what to do for my birthday, like, or to do anything because of the mood I was in. But then yesterday morning on my birthday, I saw this, Facebook memories. And there's a screenshot of my mom conversation. Me and my mom conversation I had, I think like in 2016. And what she said basically was like, enjoy your day, make sure you have fun, and don't let nobody mess up your day. So that's what I'll be having in the back of my head. Like I know my mom would want me to enjoy my birthday, so I'm gonna do that. Even though it's easier said than done, I'm still gonna like even try my best to do something and celebrate myself on my birthday, because my mom knew I was like always a birthday person, especially for myself. Like I'm my friends too, but like when it comes to my birthday, I always was like, I'm doing something for my birthday. I'm always celebrating my birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a little bit different for my birthday, but I still had fun, still enjoyed it, still appreciated everything. And everybody that reached out to me, texted me, called me, everything. All my loved ones. Brooklyn came out. So today is Chris Brown's concert and I'm currently at Brockton Center. I just got here. It's not really a line, but it's packed. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to go inside. I hope I get some good footage. I want to enjoy myself too, but I'm definitely going to get some footage. The concert probably started already, but I'm here to see Chris Brown, so it don't matter. He come on late, so it don't matter.
I blew it all on her, I got it right back. She blew it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I run on it when it's time back. You know it's hard to get about it, I get sidetracked.
New York! It's breathing. She hit the switch, she don't have to party. When I'm with her, we know how to party. what we gonna do. Let me take you down, take you down, yeah. Do purpose to my way. I'm turning one, trying to get over to my place. You don't know what you do to me. Rain on me. Bring it over to mine, and you be like, baby, but I know you. Bring it over to my place, you don't know what you did. You body like, girl, I don't know what you did. Let's go. No, you make it hard for me to see somebody else. And yes, messed up, cause I'm thinking about you. You sure for baby, I never wanted this to break up. But you don't understand, when she touches me, I was bad romance. Ain't we problem, straight in and out, yeah. I think of it, hey. All I want is you. It was all before I fell for you. So sweet, so please don't judge me. Definition of change. This stays on my mind. One minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping. No, tell me who's getting all my love, who's getting all my time. All that I used to be mine. See incomplete, but there was a way that I could make you understand. It's our second night at the Barclays. It was lit last night, but y'all in the bar. So we gotta get out here with a bang. Let's get this thing on. You heard?
We had a time, y'all. Look at this. It was so crowded. It was lit in there, but then somebody had to mess up the night by fighting, child. All these other colored people, and we have to be the ones fighting. But anyways, I had a lit night. Chris wanted his big one. But now I'm trying to get food. But we're not about to get no food around here because y'all see all these people. We about to just go back home and get food around that area because around here ain't gonna work. Oh yeah, and they're selling t-shirts for like $30. I'm not buying nothing. But yeah, had a lit night. The view, as y'all saw the view was amazing. It was worth it. It was worth every penny. Every penny it was worth. I'm finally back home, y'all. It's currently 12:43. You see my outfit? I mean, y'all saw the pictures, but I feel like I didn't get a chance to do a get rid of it with me and nothing. This was the scent of the day, YSL Libre. I wore it like once or twice. I forgot. It smells really good. So yeah, that was the scent of the day. This is the outfit, y'all. So these patterns are tight. They're mad noise. They make you mad noise. Well, actually, this entire fit is from Fashion Nova. This is from Fashion Nova. This is from Fashion Nova. And I wore my black Harashis, my black Nike. So, that Chris Brown concert was a 20 out of 10. Okay? 20 out of 10. And he said we was the most turn up day for him in Brooklyn because he had Saturday and Sunday nights, and Sunday night was the most turned up. So I was like, yeah, he said it. We had to say it. I'm sure on social media they're going to go back and forth, but we didn't say it. It came out of the horse's mouth. So I'm glad I was a part of that because as y'all saw, it was so lit. I recorded a lot, but I was like, nah, I'm not going to record. I'm going to record every song, but not the entire performance because I need to be living in the moment, which I did. But then he caught me off guard with, not caught me off guard, but like, not caught me off guard because I know he's going to perform that song, but No Air. No Air. That song, y'all saw, brought me back. Real nostalgia. Like, what? I was expecting him to perform With You. I'm here waiting for With You, and then he just popped out with No Air, and I'm like, okay, stop the show. Everything is done because that's it. Like, what? No Air? I was belching out my vocals. My throat hurt after that show did. I had no water, nothing. But listen, it was worth every penny. It was worth every minute, every second, okay? If y'all miss it, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell y'all. But you know, yeah, this is what y'all got me for. I'm always look out for y'all. Y'all don't feel like y'all there because the vibes is always gonna be vibing. Every time I go to a concert, I always meet somebody with a vibe that match my vibe. Now, my best friend, she went, but she was, I told her I'm gonna make a meme. I told her I'm gonna make a meme of me at a concert, my best friend at a concert. It's like, sis is an introvert, but sis was dead an introvert stuff. Like, she liked Chris Brown, but she ain't know majority of the songs. But sis still wanted to see him. She should, because why not? But she ain't know most of the songs. So that's why y'all ain't really see her, you know, in the vlog, but we was vibing. Nah, that performance was everything. Like, I really went to see him because that was it wasn't a question that I was gonna see him anyways. But if I had did the meet and greet, my seat would not be so close to him. For what? Why do I want to be that close to him after a meet and greet? It's not gonna be the same. I could be all in the Boondocks and still feel close to him because what? Maybe next time. Who knows? Maybe next time because that man is too fine, child. My childhood self was very happy tonight. Like, I feel content. Not that it's the first time I'm seeing him, but first time I've been so close to him. Like, we was here. I don't mind my nail, child. My nail been broke. Both of them, both middle fingers. So I'm not giving out a finger. I'm not. I wouldn't do that. Maybe some of y'all that's watching, but not all y'all. But yeah, tonight was 20 out of 10. Definitely recommend. So if y'all never been to a Chris Brown show, go see Maurice, because he gonna make it a time for you to remember and never ever forget. Okay, I had a lit Monday night. It was one for the books. Had the time of my life. It was well worth it. I bought some food. It's like Chipotle basically, so I bought me a Chipotle bowl and I'm about to bust that down because I'm hungry. I ain't eat before I went. I ate once today. Well, yesterday. Yes, I hope y'all enjoyed the Chris Brown concert, because y'all saw it for free. Well, I had to pay, so I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all better enjoy it, because y'all seen it for free. Okay, y'all welcome. Consider this y'all birthday gift, Christmas gift, Thanksgiving gift. Okay, that's one gift for all y'all. I think that's all. I'll see you guys another day. Don't forget to like and definitely subscribe, because I feel like I'm giving y'all vibes. It's summertime and I feel like I'm bringing the vibes for the summer. So this is the second concert I'm posting for the year. I don't think I'm gonna go to the no more concert. So yeah, but the vibe's still gonna come because it's summertime. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so when I post, you'll know. Okay, I'll see you guys another day.